Alright guys, this is stock.
You already know who it is, man. JamesAtkinsTv. Hit that like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. JATV.
What is going on, YouTube, man? It's your boy JamesAtkinsTV, and thanks in advance for tapping in today's vlog, man. Today, I'm super excited this morning because I have a video that's coming that I've been waiting for a very long time now. The F150 will no longer be quiet, and it will get that true V8 pride. Now check this out, guys. I was debating whether or not I wanted to go with the full exhaust or just do a muffler delete, and actually today, as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm just going to go ahead and get the muffler delete. And quick story here, if you guys are seeing this video for the very first time and you're just wondering about the F150 exhaust sounds and all that good stuff, let me tell you, I've been doing a lot of research, and I believe I'm going with the muffler delete just because if I don't like it, I'll just get the full exhaust system anyway. But with that being said, I was looking all over, got price ranges all the way from 100 to 300 bucks. Guys, you can find it much cheaper. Do your due diligence, do your research, and yeah, man, let's get into the video. All right, guys, so I had to step inside the truck. It was a little loud outside with the street noise and the plane or whatever, but just wanted to get back inside the cabin for a second just to say these few things, right? Do your due diligence and your research on what you prefer for your truck. Also, you can definitely find the price to be under 100 bucks. You just got to call around and make sure you get the best price for you. For a muffler delete, all they're doing is cutting off the muffler and welding on a 3-inch pipe, if you're, you know what I'm saying, for your F150. So that being said, I'm here actually in my old stomping grounds at Rainbow Muffler and Auto Repair, I believe. So get the job done. Let's see what it's like. I'm going to give you guys a clip of what the exhaust sounds like before they delete the muffler, as well as what the exhaust sounds like after they delete the muffler, of course. Lastly, I don't know if it will make sense for this video or the context of this video, but I'm also going to give you guys a clip of what it sounds like inside the cabin after the delete has been done. You guys should know what a stock truck sounds like. You don't hear anything inside the cabin. So that being said, guys, let's go ahead and get these sound clips and let these guys get to work. All right, guys, this is stock. Gonna make this quick because they got music playing, but here's the muffler right here. We're gonna get this muffler taken on out, guys. There's the muffler, guys. Muffler is off. My man said his wheels cost extra. What y'all think, guys? He did a good job or not? Gotta cut this off. Copyright. That sounds good. What you guys think, guys? Woo, sound good to me. All right, guys, so before I start the truck while sitting inside the truck, man, go ahead and hit the like button right now. Let's get 30 likes on this video. All right, guys, 30 likes on this video. Drop a comment down below on what you think about, you know, the muffler delete. So yeah, let's go ahead and get a nice little start here real quick. Sounds good. It's not too loud. Nice little rumble. I can actually hear the engine now. Oh yeah, I like that sound, guys. It sounds good, guys. There's no drone on the inside. Obviously, I haven't gotten up to highway speeds yet at all, but generally you don't get drone at the cruising speeds. You really only get it in the low 2,000 to 3,000 RPM range. So yeah, man, sounds good to me. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, I think that's going to conclude it for this video, for today's video. I really appreciate you all for tapping in and tuning in to today's video. Let's get 30 likes on this video. So if you see that this video hasn't hit 30 likes, go ahead and smash that like, that thumbs up button for your boy. Subscribe to the channel, man. Find your way back to more James Atkins TV content. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy, James Atkins TV.